In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana to Google Calendar. This is a really useful workflow if you live in your calendar and want your Asana tasks to show up right alongside your meetings and events. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start in Asana. Open the specific project that you want to connect to Google Calendar. This connection works on a project-by-project basis, so make sure you're inside the right one before you continue. At the top of the project, next to the project name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the Project Options menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Export or Print. Don't click it right away, just hover your mouse over it. When you hover, a submenu will appear. In that submenu, choose Sync to Google Calendar. This is what generates the special link that lets Google Calendar read your Asana tasks. A pop-up window will appear with a URL in it. Go ahead and copy that link. You don't need to open it in your browser, just copy it exactly as it is. This link is what tells Google Calendar where to pull your Asana tasks from, so make sure you grab the whole thing. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section called Other Calendars. Next to that label, there's a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open a menu of ways to add new calendars. From this list, select the option that says From URL. This is where you'll paste the link you just copied from Asana. Click into the field, paste the URL, and then click Add Calendar. Google Calendar will now create a new calendar based on that Asana project. After a moment, you should see it appear under the Other Calendars section on the left. Your tasks from that Asana project, especially the ones with due dates, will start showing up on your calendar view. If you don't see them right away, try refreshing the page and making sure the new calendar is checked so it's visible. Keep in mind that this is a one-way sync. Changes in Asana will flow into Google Calendar, but edits you make directly on those calendar events will not sync back to Asana, and that's all you need to do to link your Asana project to Google Calendar.